In industries where every second counts, staying ahead is a necessity. High-performing reciprocating compressors drive plant efficiency and availability across these industries. But inconsistent monitoring and deferred maintenance can cause unexpected breakdowns and downtime. What if you could act before problems arise? Introducing DetectIdentifying, an advanced cloud-based solution for compressor monitoring that's easy to install and comes at an attractive initial cost. DetectIdentifying uses vibration monitoring for early failure detection, alerting operators on site to potential issues in key components. It identifies abnormal compressor behavior, maximizes availability, reduces maintenance costs, and ensures safe operations. Combined with our world-leading services, DetectIdentifying provides action recommendations and expert support based on data-driven decisions. Integrated seamlessly into digital ecosystems, DetectIdentifying empowers operators to achieve peak compressor uptime. Join the future of compressor performance management. Contact us to learn more.